Let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. So here is brown color, parrot color, sky blue color, purple color, pink color, red color, orange color, and the last one is blue color. Now it's time to color a pineapple. How many pineapples can you see? So here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 pineapples.